Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? I'm coming to you from an undisclosed location, and this beautiful sweet dog and I are going to review today some Bagsmart bags. I have the Laptop Duffle and the Duffle Backpack. Spoiler, these bags are smarter than my attempts to keep Pepper's fur out of the Airstream. Let's unpack them. Behold the Laptop Duffle in Tangerine, because who doesn't want a bag that screams, I'm a citrus superstar? And this one in pesto, you know, like the sauce, but way more saucy. Piper, what do you think?
It smells like an adventure.
This is the 34-liter Laptop Duffle. Check out Blair, my ultra marathon running queen, turning this tangerine dream into a packing masterpiece. She's like the Tetris grandmaster, cramming in her laptop, running shoes, snacks, Piper's favorite toy, probably half our Airstream. This bag's like a clown car. Endless space. Pockets for days, a laptop sleeve, side pockets, front pockets. There's probably even a secret pocket in here for Piper's treats. I'm pretty sure this thing could survive one of Piper's muddy river walk creek runs and still look fresh. I feel like I could take this thing to the gym and people would be like, Brad, is that a bag or a fashion statement? Both. Thanks, folks. This thing's got main character vibes. It could star in the Brad and Piper Great Adventure Show.
Help us on the mouth covers.
Good morning.
This bag has multiple ways to carry it as well. It has the padded handles, shoulder straps, and it comes with a leather locking mechanism. Or if you want something a little more padded and comfortable, you have this detachable padded shoulder strap. Again, super versatile. And the way the connection points are at different angles, so you can have it right here in front of you easily than on the ends. And pockets, snap pocket here on the outside, zipper pocket here on the outside. Just talk about these zippers for a bit. These zippers extend beyond the bag, and that enables you to open it up wide in case you need to get all the things in there. But when you're carrying the bag, there's a nice little snap down here, and it snaps to that so it stays out of the way. And that's on both sides. Toiletry bag for things you don't want leaking. Multiple partition spots in here with a Velcro stow capability. Really great bag. And did you see the part about the shoe storage? How cool is that? Here's Blair saving the day again, helping me pack this Pesto Duffle Backpack for a plane ride. I've got camera gear, skincare stuff because I'm fancy, snacks, and Piper probably snuck in a toy too. This bag's ready for anything. I'm gonna tell you folks, this bag is a travel champ. It fit perfectly under the seat on my plane ride. It fit perfectly in the overhead bin. These straps, it's like a cozy hug while I'm sprinting through the airport because I definitely underestimated the TSA lines. Packed with everything, including Piper's Dragon, you know, for moral support. Are you coming for moral support too? This bag's a time capsule. Pockets for my passports, chargers, and that dragon toy Piper insists on. It's like the bag knew I need to keep Piper entertained. Did I mention there are 3 ways to carry this bag? 1 is this handy handle. 2 is this padded and removable shoulder strap. And 3, you can wear it like a backpack. So handy. And did I mention that there's a spot for your water bottle? This thing is amazing. And when wearing it as a backpack, where these are normally stowed, you have a nice little Velcro spot to put things in, like an iPad or a phone or some travel documents that you might need quick access to. But otherwise, that's where your backpack straps are stowed. Pocket, Velcro pocket, zipper pocket, Velcro pocket, other Velcro pocket, some loops to hang stuff on the side, water bottle, laptop pocket. And that's just the outside. Lid storage, see-through. A leak-proof bag for toiletries and things like that so they don't spill onto your clothes should the bottle have an issue. Inside side zipper pockets, partitioned. And a spot for your shoes. Did I say this is like the clown car of bags? Time for the verdict. These Bagsmart bags are clutch. Is that what the kids are saying these days? The Laptop Duffle is Blair's go-to for packing travel gear and Piper's toys. It's like a stylish black hole. The Duffle Backpack is my wingman for flights, road trips, or hauling her stuff around the country. Perfect for travel, the gym, or surviving Piper's squirrel chasing chaos. If you need a bag that's tough, stylish, and Piper approved, hit up Bagsmart.com. They're affordable and way better than many of the bags I've used in the past. All right, fam. Have you tried Bagsmart? Got a travel bag that's your road trip or dog walking soulmate? Big thanks to the real MVP of all this is Blair helping me pack bags, and to Piper, well, you know, for just being Piper. Check out their website and exclusive discount codes. Links for everything are down below in the video description. Come sit on my toes. Turn, turn, turn. Can you sit? Back 'em on up. Back 'em on up. Okay, sit. Pepper, sit. All the way. Back up, back up, back up. Okay, good girl. Good job. Good job. Go, 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 go. Good job. No, I got hair in my eyes. Pepper hair.